Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we request you to follow these instructions to help us provide the best treatment possible. If you are feeling unwell or have any symptoms, please postpone your dental appointment and stay home or seek medical advice. We will be having a detailed telephonic conversation with you to record your personal details, history and dental complaints that will help us prepare better and ensure speedy consultation. You are also required to fill in the COVID consent form, which is mandatory for record maintenance. We request your honest disclosure. Download Arogya Setu app and keep your Bluetooth and GPS on at all times. We request you to visit by prior appointment only. Kindly be on time. We recommend you to brush your teeth prior to your dental appointment. Please wear clean, washed clothes to the clinic. Avoid wearing any accessories like rings and watches for your dental appointment. Please avoid visiting any market area or crowded places and directly travel from home to the clinic without making any stops. Avoid having any company when coming for an appointment. Only a child should be accompanied by an adult. Only the patient will be allowed in the operatory. The attendant will have to wait outside. Please wear a face mask at all times and refrain from touching your face. Please avoid carrying any additional baggage to the clinic. Please give us a call once you have reached our clinic and wait outside the clinic for our assistant to come and guide you. Remove your footwear outside. Use hand sanitizer once you enter and ask for a mask if you are not wearing one. Please cooperate with our staff for screening with temperature check and pulse oximeter. These disposables will be provided to you in order to prevent cross-contamination. Kindly cooperate by following strict no-touch protocol. Please seat yourselves as indicated so as to maintain social distance at all times. Please follow the following cold and cough etiquette at all times. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. Dispose of your tissue properly. If there is no tissue, cough into the bend of your elbow. If you sneeze or cough into your hand, wash your hands as soon as possible. Since elective dental procedures generate aerosols which fall in the high-risk category, we follow stringent measures and we have taken strict sterilization protocols to ensure infection control. On completion of treatment, you must follow hand hygiene, put your mask back on and proceed for payment. We will be sending you all the post-op instructions that you need to follow after your treatment along with an online prescription of the medicines that you need to take. We request you to make cashless or digital payments. We request your support and cooperation in these times to help us protect each other and enable us to deliver the best dental treatment like always.